Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I just have a project share for you again, and this time it's from what we made with them Crafty girls and also some other lives, because it's going to be a combined project. So let me share with you what we did today. I played with Kscraft's electric mixer. This has been a while ago. I got it off of Amazon. I want to say 3 years back, but that die set comes with a large and a small mixer. Okay, so it looks like that. And you can make a shaker out of the mixing bowl, which is what I did. And I'm using the same paper collection that I've been playing with for Christmas for now. And that is, let me show you again. A Silent Night by Recollections. And this is from Michael's. So, sorry guys. Trying to fix my paper stack over there. So that's what I created with the ladies on them Crafty Girls Sunday Live. And if you missed it, it was on Carmen's channel. And I had to pull out some mix from my stash because I didn't have an exact mix in pre-made mix. So I just made some out with my sequins in my personal collection there. And so it looks like that. And I also used some Kscraft's heart-shaped leaves. I don't remember the formal name for this, but I already pre-cut this, and I had some in my stash. So when I need them, I can just sift through them. And this is what they look like. There's a small size, and cut them up in a few colors. Greens and blacks and lime, and then, and then I also had this leaf here, but I didn't use that because they were a little too big and not the right color. So I used a flat shimmer gold paper. And I think I got that paper. It was a paper pad with shimmer paper. I think it was from Michael's. And then these are felt snowflakes that have glitter on them. They were gifted to me, and I don't recall who gifted it to me. And so is this poinsettia. That was also a gift. So it's just stuff in my stash. There's a large snowflake in the background here. And you don't see it, but it's there. So it just adds to our layering piece. I do need to add like a sentiment or something onto my mixer. So I basically used the same things in my stash again, the leaf, the snowflake, also this mini rosette. This was also in my stash. This is another snowflake, the same snowflake I used here. It's the same one. And then I pulled this off of a sticker and just layered that on top because I didn't have another poinsettia, at least the size to fit this one. I do have poinsettia dies in my stash, but I didn't want to die cut anymore at the time because there's just a lot. So this is just another Kscraft die. Again, this has just been in my stash. I pre-made this a while ago, and it's just been sitting there waiting for me to put it into a project. I already shared these. These are another Kscraft die set. These are the cookies, the gingerbread cookies that come with the miniature cookie sheet. These are not glued down. So I had this also pre-cut in my stash, and the cookies I made recently. And so I'm going to add that into this little cookie sheet mini album. This is Kscraft's recent release. This is the September release. I still have not added my layering pieces on there because I'm trying to see if I want to stitch it, or if I want to add foam to it, or if I want to make it into a pocket, because it's supposed to be a mini album. I will be putting these embellishments into the mini album, but then I want to be able to use this as a mini album once I take out all these embellishments. Okay. And these are also Kscrafts. These are the baking words. Also 3 years ago, probably about the same time the electric mixers came out, these words were there with it. These are the larger font sizes. So yeah, and I want to play with a few more die sets that are the new release from Kscraft. So I still have the Santa and another gingerbread, and there's also a cat. So there's a lot of things that I want to play with. And yes, I am crafting Christmas now because the holidays are always so busy for everyone. And like me and you, there's always other things going on. So I want to be able to get my fill with the crafting for Christmas, and then I can relax. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and join the Crafty family. And then while you're there, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load a new video like this, and also when I do a live on my channel. So I really do appreciate your love and support. To all my crafty friends that come back every time I load a video, I really do appreciate you, and I hope to see you all again on the next crafty video. Bye.